Kum ka jing itu ya jing tresitom jong ki arpo nyongot ki SAMLA pule GNM jong ka St. Joseph Academy School of Nursing ki bor penia jong ti Shillong ai ji hikai menta ka sngi la long ya ka jing PYNKUPBUROM ye ki SAMLA ye ki jing PYNKUPBUROM la long ha MEBAAI resort ka badan ha Shillong umtro hari Bhoi district nalor ki bor penia jong ki Shillong ai ji hikai hagini sngi lai don lang ru Dr. Ricky AJ Sungkon ubri MP ka Lok Sabha ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kumukongsan haka jing don lang jong Dr. Amanwar ubri Director of Health Services Barim jong jela kumusumbut kongsan uba ALHEC ubri advisor ka St. Joseph Academy School of Nursing ka kong Iban Reglian Rani kabri principal ka kong Iba Lari Siang Shaim kabri Managing Director lembat kiwe kum kejing pensa jing kan mau kejing la jong kita SAMLA pule ban pendap ya kejing pule jong kila ai dagi momentos kum kedak jong kejing bu ya kejing pensa jing kan mau Dr. Ricky AJ Sungkon kumukongsan haba jing keren ulong kum ka akor breu ulai dak seneng ka kentu ye kita SAMLA kibala ban pendap ya kejing pule dak boong banalor ki dawai ki dasin kibala penmang bandi na ka bantagi nongpang ka jing ai sekri kum ki nong sumar dak khmat ka bapho samarki ka long ka badon kam e na ka bantagi bapang basitom bakinyo ya kejing ko jing khia
I call upon Butterfly Family for blessing and prayers for their upcoming futures and followed by Victoria's barbecue. Request you people to come forward.
St. Joseph Academy of Nursing, I would say, it shines as a beacon of excellence, upholding the highest standard of service, character, and academic achievement. As the previous speaker had mentioned, we mentioned about the motto of this academy, that is learn, build, and achieve. Well, I believe that the academy has consistently nurtured not just skilled professionals, but professionals with compassion. Professionals who carry forward this noble mission of healthcare. Founded under the Grace Educational Trust, its vision remains steadfast to nurture service-minded youth, ready to bear the witness of Christ's love through acts of compassion and to serve community irrespective of caste, creed or religion. From its humble beginning way back in 2020, I've learned that this academy has steadily grown, adding multiple batches of GNM students and proudly launching its first BSc nursing program this year. Well, this is a commendable achievement. Congratulations to the management of this academy. Well, what started just one course and a small group has now transformed into a thriving institution. And now nurturing about 3 batches of GNM students and 1 batch of BSc nursing students. Well, united by a shared dream of serving humanity through nursing, I would say that this remarkable growth of this institution in a matter of just few years surely reflects perseverance and vision of its founders, and also the unwavering commitment to bring this institution to one which is, I hope, in this region, one of the premier institutions in the days to come. Well, to the young graduates of today, let me tell you that today you join the noble ranks of those who have dedicated their lives to healing. Well, to appreciate the weight and the beauty of this noble calling, let us be reminded of the life of Florence Nightingale, who is known as the Lady with the Lamp. Well, I'm sure you would know better about the history of Florence Nightingale more than many of us. Well, it was during the Crimean War that she wore the wards at night, carrying a lamp. And let me tell you, it was not just a lamp that she carried in her hand. It was the spirit or the heart to comfort the sick, and therefore she not only carried a lamp, but a light of hope. She ignited in the hearts of those soldiers who were maybe, living or lying in that bed of despair, of hopelessness. Nightingale has reminded herself that she redefined nursing not only through the skill and science, but also through relentless compassion, discipline, and courage.
The graduation ceremony signifies not only the culmination of years of hard work, but also the beginning of new opportunities and responsibilities. I believe that the St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing is conducting this year its first graduation ceremony for the inaugural batch of 27 graduates, 2021 to 2024, and that they come from all parts of the state. This is a proud moment for the Academy. Hats off to Umtrol's St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing on this remarkable achievement. Let us give them a big hand. I understand that this event marks the dedication, compassion, economic, academic excellence in the field of nursing. The conferment of degrees upon the graduates signifies not only the successful completion of their professional training, but also their readiness to serve the society with skill, care, and commitment. So go out into the world and serve with an attitude of mission, of action, with passion. Respected nurses, remember, it has been rightly said that constant attention by a good nurse may be just as important as a major operation by a surgeon. Never forget that. The first line for a patient are the nurses. The Academy have humbly started with a GNM course in 2021 and now have also upgraded to BSc Nursing from this year. Your vision to promote premier nursing education, to bring out service-minded youths